Take a look at this YouTube channel. It currently has around 12.5 million subscribers, and they've uploaded about 1,000 videos. The videos are all about animals, and if you check, you'll see some of the most popular ones have millions of views. What do you think? How much do you think this channel earns per month? Would you be interested in starting a channel like this and earning extra income every month? If so, today's video is for you. If you watch it till the end, you'll learn how to create a video just like the one I'm showing you now. Alright, first we need an idea to create a video. Let's think of an idea. If you don't have one, I have a good website that can help. It's called ChatGPT. You can open it, and after opening, paste the command I give you. Once you paste it, it will provide you with some great ideas like this. You can choose the one that suits your needs. Here, I will choose the first idea, and you can also pick your favorite idea from here. Now, we have some ideas for the videos. Next, we need to find the right background music. You might be wondering where to find copyright-free music. For that, we can easily use your YouTube audio library. All you need to do is click and download the song to your device. Alright, now we need some nice video clips. To create these video clips, we need some good commands or templates. We can generate these using ChatGPT. Go to the platform, paste the template, and press enter. After that, you'll be able to generate the video clips in a nice sequence. By using this template, we can see how to generate the video clips correctly. Let's check it out. So, to create the videos, we are using the Hilo AI website. You can easily search for it on Google and sign up. After signing in, you can proceed to ChatGPT and use the generated template. Copy the first template, go to Hilo AI, and paste it there. After clicking, it will generate a beautiful video clip for you. You can then download the video clip to your device from there. So, now that we have generated all the video clips, we need to create a beautiful video compilation. For that, we will be using a free tool called CapCut. You can open the CapCut tool, then import the clips we generated earlier and the music we generated as well. After that, I will organize the video clips neatly, cut unnecessary durations from the music, and if you'd like, you can add transitions from the options available at the top of the screen. Once all the clips are added, you can make further edits if needed. Afterward, export the final video using the blue button at the top. Let's check our final output. Let me know what you think of today's video by leaving a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Let's meet in the next video.